and welcome to my channel. Hope you have seen my first video where I showed you my 10 favorite quick reads. Today I am going to continue the series with 10 more books. But first, as I promised you earlier that I will tell you the difference between a novel and a novella. So here it goes. Let's start with short stories. A story with a fully developed theme with 1000 to 7500 words is considered as a short story. A novel is a fiction which is referred as a long narrative prose as it presents a quite lengthy story of imaginary characters and events. It has over 40,000 words in it. Now, a novella is somewhere between a novel and a short story. It is larger than a short story and shorter than a novel with almost 7,000 to 40,000 words in it. Let's start today's video by sharing another 10 quick reads which are also my favorite, like the first 10 books I showed you in my previous video. The books are Black Beauty, Snow White and Rose Red, Alibaba and the 40 Thieves, Goldilocks and the 3 Bears, Mullah Nasruddin, Little Thumb, Puss in Boots, Alice in Wonderland, Ricky of the Clump, and Cleopatra Silverwing. I hope you will like the video. If you want anything to be featured, please comment below. तो ये था आज का बुक ज्ञान, ना हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान। तो मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू, बाय। कर लो।